Introducing Rocket, the native AWS S3 SaaS self-service portal that preserves remote computers and iPhones directly to AWS S3 and FedRAMP storage. Let's log in and have Rocket deploy a forensic data collection to a remote iPhone and have the preserved image transfer to a pre-selected S3 bucket. On the left side navigation, let's click on Data Collections link to begin a new collection. Then click on Computer Collection. In this screen, we'll assign this data collection to a client and matter number. Next, we'll specify what type of data preservation we want Rocket to run on the remote computer. Our data preservation options are Full Disk, which is a bit-level full disk acquisition. Next is Drop and Send. This is an interactive process that allows the remote custodian to drop loose files and folders into a forensic transport window. It's simple and extremely fast. Next is the Targeted Preservation, which we are going to use in this example. Targeted preserves data based on a variety of data filters. For our example, we'll choose the Targeted option. In this screen, we specify the computer type and the drives we want to preserve. This screen is where we choose the filters to search and preserve only the relevant data. Our first option will preserve Microsoft's Windows user accounts, including all user-created data and registry files. The option, Search these extensions, allows you to paste in your list of extensions that Rocket will run on the remote computer. Next is Filter by Date Range. This option can be selected on its own or used with the other filters. Next we have Extract Data based on File Group. This allows us to zero in on relevant data quickly. There's dozens of built-in groups to choose from. Each file group includes its own comprehensive list of extensions that make up each group. Investigators can add to this list or create new file groups as needed. In this screen, we can add the custodian and fill out the optional chain of custody. In this screen, we choose how we want Rocket deployed to the target. With the first option, Rocket will send a data preservation request email that contains the Rocket imaging link and speed test that measures the upload speed to the S3 bucket destination. The other options allows us to copy the Rocket links into your legal hold requests or preserve a live computer from a USB drive. In our example, Rocket will transfer the preserved image to our selected AWS S3 location. Next, we'll check the box to have Rocket send the service provider the download link. We'll also check the box to send a confirmation to the attorney. This page is where you can track the data collection status and progress in real time. When the collection has completed, you can download the images and reports. Let's take a look at a collection that has already completed.